Brazil is one of the most complex RF certification in the world. Local testing and paperwork both are required, no exception. This is an Anatel certification. Brazil is Latin America's largest digital market. Over 117 million internet users, 5G is already expanding nationwide. A telecom market project to hit 49 billion US dollar by 2029. To access the market, one thing to stand between your product and the shelf is RF certification in Brazil. This certification is commonly called by Anatel certification. Anatel stands for Agência Nacional de Telecomunicações, or Brazil's National Telecommunication Agency. Unlike any regulatory body, Anatel operates independently, outside government ministry. But its authority is absolute. Every telecom and wireless product sold, imported, or used in Brazil must carry an Anatel certificate. No certificate, no legal market entry. Brazil product scope is among the broadest of any country we have covered. It goes well beyond smartphones and routers, coaxial cables, fiber optic equipment, broadcasting transmitters, energy storage system, connectors, switching centers, data communication equipment, all fall under Anatel's scope. Any product with telecommunication feature or a radio frequency functions requires certification. Only local registered Brazilian companies can apply for Anatel certification. These include importer, distributor, or authorized local representative. Foreign companies must appoint a local partner, act as their certificate holder. If you don't have local presence in Brazil, a service provider or importer can fill that role as long as they have properly registered. Here's Brazil stands apart from every other countries we have covered. Most countries requires either local testing or paperwork. Brazil requires both at the same time. Some tests are done locally by Anatel accredited laboratory. Other use results from international lab. The exact split is depends on the product and the laboratory analysis. No two products exactly the same. For documentation, you will need product technical documentation, test report, a Portuguese language user manual, labels, declaration of conformity, power supply information, internal and external photos, schematics and diagrams, and a valid ISO 9001 certificate from the manufacturing site, translate into Portuguese if not already in that language. For local testing, sample must be submitted directly to an Anatel accredited laboratory in Brazil. The number of the samples depends on RF features and testing method, and each laboratory may have different policies on this. When local testing and document evaluation are complete, Anatel will issue the certificate. Because of the combined process, lead time for RF certification in Brazil takes 8 to 12 weeks. That's longer than most, but it reflects the depth of Brazil evaluation. On validity, it depends on what your product is used for. General customer products are valid for 2 years. Infrastructure and professional use products are valid for 3 years. Plan your renewal from day one because Anatel doesn't wait. Certified product must carry an Anatel label. There's no exception on this. The label has 3 core components: the Anatel logo, a barcode, and an approval ID. Beyond that, the label must also include a unique 12-digit approval code, the model name, brand, and the country of origin. One important note on the logo, it can be printed in color or black and white, but using a black and white version requires prior authorization from Anatel. Get the label right. This is the last thing between your product and Brazilian customers. Combine the testing and documentation, Portuguese language requirements, laboratory policies that vary by product, and a renewal schedule that differ by product types. Brazil Anatel certification is not a process you won't figure out alone. Dimulti has helped hundreds of clients certify thousands of products worldwide, including Brazil. If you want to know everything about RF certification in the world, subscribe. I will see you in the next video.